North India is one of the most climatically diverse regions on Earth and witnesses extreme temperatures almost every year. The major summer crop of the region is paddy, which is cultivated in water-flooded fields. Water is harnessed from tube wells, ponds, canals around the clock for irrigating the paddy fields, which mostly leads to over-irrigation. Though many studies have revealed the harmful outcomes of this practice, yet the unnecessary use of water hasn't ceased in this region. Now, a study conducted by DST-supported Centre of Excellence for Climate Studies at IIT Bombay has found that excessive irrigation in northern India is shifting the September monsoon towards the northwest and causing an increase in the extreme weather events across central India. These meteorological changes are increasing the risk of failure for small farmers, rain-fed agriculture and crops.
So we wanted to understand, because of this uncontrolled irrigation or pond-like situation, what are its feedback to the monsoon rainfall. During the September, a major chunk of rainfall is spatially shifted towards the Gujarat region and the further northwest. So what is happening? The rainfall which is supposed to take place during the last month of September over the northern India and the central India, it is moving towards northwest. That's one of the observations which we have found.
As part of the research, the group studied the effects of water usage in agricultural activities on the Indian summer monsoon using different climate models. They found that excessive irrigation increases evaporation from the soil surface as well as the transpiration from the plants. Due to this, the incidence of excessive rainfall goes up. According to the study published in the journal Geophysical Research Letters, this is an important reason behind the increase in extreme rainfall events in recent decades over central India. This proves that monsoon rainfall is sensitive to the irrigation practices prevalent in South Asia.
Indian irrigation is entirely different. If you are considering a western irrigation component, what it considers is that when soil moisture goes below a certain value, then the irrigation starts in those models. But in India, we know it's entirely different. So we developed a model which is specifically designed for Indian condition, the Indian uncontrolled irrigation, the paddy irrigation, everything we incorporated, which was a challenging task, but we did it.
Another study by the Centre of Excellence has revealed for the first time that the risk for rice and wheat crops has increased in recent decades. Particularly for wheat, the risk has more than doubled. These studies indicate that the hydroclimatic hazards related to excessive rainfall and drought increase the risk for crops more than temperature extremes. These studies by Indian researchers can help in planning suitable farming practices in the affected areas. The findings will also directly benefit the Government of India's National Initiative on Climate Resilient Agriculture.